Hello, welcome in this video. Now we are in the workshop, so this video is about the future, about what's going on behind the scene. So let's start from our cup car. You have seen on the last video that we was on the test day. The car was good, but like as always we need to clean, we need to check everything so the car is ready for the next practice. What's going on with the valve? Now there is some black scene because you can't see what's here. The valve, like you remember, had a big impact, big crash. Not very dangerous, but very expensive. Unluckily, we have quite big accident and a lot of damage. And now you can see that everything is almost repaired. You can see right now on the video what was exactly destroyed. Generally, we need to change this both aluminum holder. Also, we need to fix the bend on the wing. We need to make the new end plate. Also, we need to buy the new rear quarter panel. The suspension wasn't any damage, but we had very big impact on this carbon structure. Let's wait, I will show you the one of our trophy. Cut black scene, like nothing to see. After we make the stainless steel plate, which is already cut and waiting for the bend, we will make some trophy and champagne. But for this moment, we keep other trophy. This is trophy from one of our drivers from the valve. Look how this is cracked. On the beginning, we don't see it. Unluckily, he don't hit this into the wall, but the aluminum holder from this structure to the wing bent everything and the carbon was destroyed. You can see some damage. We can't fix this because this is the safety structure. If something happened in the rear, this holds the whole impact. So it's one of the most expensive parts, and in the comment guess how much exactly net it costs in Europe. We can go to the next thing, which is upgrade to our team, because we have two things to show to you. It was very long winter. You can see that on the last videos we have the live stream from the car. And we will do it in every car which we have. But we're still waiting for all the cars. So this is the third news. For this moment, we want to have everything together. When we was racing in 2025 season, it was only me, the engineer. So he can only have like one laptop, one station. And now if we have 3 cars, we need to have more visibility. Also, you need to have the lap times. Also, you need to have some information about track limits, etc., etc. And we need to make a step further. So we want to have something professional, and we decide that we need something like this. The control center, Yahoo Racing Control Center. It sounds good, yeah? So, we have 9 videos. 9 monitors, sorry. On top we'll have live stream, here we have the information about the track, and here we will have some other information. We can put 2-3 laptops. Also we have every connectors, we have the USB plug. We can also install the beautiful printer, but we don't need it for this moment. I would like to change it a little bit, upgrade it to ourselves, to have the radio here, other stuff here closed, and also the Starlink. We are prepare some holders to keep the Starlink with everything, because we want to have everything organized. Everything is packed. It's the same flight system like the heating tent to our tires, and also we are waiting for the other 2 things which will look much more better. Last year ago I was making the tires trolley, something like that, and I did it. But like always, everything is upgrade. Everything needs time. You need to develop stuff. So I made something like this. of course, our racing team name, but it had very big issue. The wheels are not big enough. Because if you have a flat surface, it's not a problem. But if you have a bumpy surface, you have very big problem. Also, we have a different size of rims right now. We have the Cup Car rims, we have BMW, we have Wolf rims, and the insert is not good enough. So, we make the new version. It's generally bigger to have much more comfortable and stable because the wheels are wider. Also the bigger tires, and you can change the size of the rim. So we have 18-inch and also 13-inch rims. Everything is easy to move, and we need the trolley on the grid. So now we have designed it and we are trying to make it. We manufacture it in-house from the inox, from the stainless steel, which you will see in the next video. So for this moment, with bigger wheels, we have much more stable and it's easy to drive from the different places. And this kind of not flat surface, it's easy to drive. And you can be sure that it doesn't fall. And it's very helpful on the racetrack and also on the workshop. Next thing about the new cars. I can make you some suggestion that the next car will have 3 air jacks. Of course 4 wheels, but 3 air jacks. And it's not the Cup Car, but it's something between. It's a very good car for the beginners, and we will use this car for the whole season. I still don't want to say everything, don't show every card, but that car will be used generally in the Germany and also in the Polish. But the Cup Car will stay with us. So in 2026 we will have 3 race cars. I will show what's next we will make by ourselves. The next thing which we are making right now is this kind of trolley. What's wrong with this trolley? For sure, we don't have the best surface and the wheel has bent a little bit here. So we bought the new wheels and also we are manufacturing from the beginning the new one. You can see here, if you take a look, this aluminum is like shit aluminum, the worst which you can buy. It's like very soft. If we use it a lot, we need the very good quality aluminum. And it will be manufactured maybe in the 2 weeks. Next thing which we should say on the beginning, the new car, but not the race car, transport car, support car. It was very funny story because we bought it brand new from the dealer, and after 14 kilometers we need to go back to dealer on the trailer because there was some issue with the oil cooling and we lost all fluid. So unlucky, but quality of the car, like the space inside, interior, everything is much more better than our old Ducato. And we have special car bodywork on the back of the car. So in this car we have specially for us made by one of our partner, Hauser, who is also making something big for us for 2026 season. So now we are showing not all cars, but a lot of. So be patient and wait for the biggest announcement in 2026 season. Space for parts for our flight case was made specially by Hauser, and let's see which car we are speaking about. Go. Can you guess the car by the keys? Not this side, this Iveco. Brand new. So this is very big upgrade for us, which we was waiting for very long time. Let's take a look inside. Now the cameraman and also mechanic had a very big space to sit, comfortable, and also you can have some and more. So we can go like a king. Driver's seat is like, I don't know how, pneumatic. We also have the CarPlay and etc. But the most important is on the back. The back was made specially for my idea. The most important for us is that we have the wood plate, but with the plastic on it. So when something is scratched or there is some dust or etc. on it, we can easily clean it. Because on the Ducato, when you have rubber on it, it's difficult to clean. And also we have the aluminum rack where we can put the flight case, tighten it, and it's much more bigger space. Like it's almost 1 meter longer than our Ducato. And it's much more higher, so beautiful. And the most important is that we can keep 3.5 ton on the trailer, because Ducato is only 2.5 ton, so we can connect bigger trailer, so it's very good for us. Of course we have the special wood on the bottom, but you can see Paweł is not taking care about the cleaning, so this is for this moment. And in the comment, let's tell me what car we bought, how much the end for the Wolf cost, and what is the biggest announcement in 2026 season, which I hope that you can see on the next video. Hit the like button and see you in the next video. Bye. Krówkę jem. I need to wait a minute.